Hey, what's going on YouTube? What we have here is the E-shaft for my 13B junkyard engine donor for my 550 bucks RX8. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna polish it and take some measurements and see if it's gonna make it. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, I have it secure now. This little machine does, this one spins and the belt is gonna spin also. This one is grade aluminum oxide 400 grade, but this one is dead. Like, it has no more it has no more life on it. It's all worn out, so we're not taking no material off. All we're doing is polishing it. We have some more over there. Those are dead. The new ones are over there. So this one is dead. So these are polishing. We're not taking no material off. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna start the machine. Start spinning, and then the belt. There we go. And all we're gonna do is this here. I'm starting the front so I can taste it. Let's test it out. Remember, all we want is a little polishing. So lift it. Let's see how it looks already. You see how shiny it's looking already? It's shiny. We're gonna go ahead and do this, the lobes. And then once we're done, or even before, we can go ahead and open the holes on the oil passages so we can have better oil flow. But I need two hands, so let me get it done and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell because of the camera, but this side is done. That one is done. This one is next. You see how it looks already? So let me go ahead and do that one. Okay, I have this one done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and stop the belt, stop the machine. You see the oil passages? I'm gonna do a little trick on every little oil passage. Starting on this one right here. I'm gonna grab, gonna use this little bad boy, and I'm gonna open it up. Go here, open it a little bit, and then once I'm done, we're gonna pass the belt again so we can sand it, so we can smooth it out. So let me go ahead and do it. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if it's gonna focus. But you see, I'll open it a little bit. It's a little bit open. If you're comparing to this one right here, this one's stuck close, so I'm gonna open it right now. And same on the other oil passages. Let me get it done. Alright, the shaft is done on the oil passages. They're open now. Every single hole they're open. So better oil flow. And then now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it one more time. Let's heat it one more time so we can smooth those holes. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're done. Turn it up. There's the clamp. Let me get it off. Pass a rag on it. I'll see the final product. Okay, this is the final product. Polish it. So polish. We're going to take some measurements right now. And If it passes, I'm sure it's gonna pass. So we're gonna pass. We're gonna use new bearings on the rotors. We should be good to go. All the rotating assembly. So let me take some measurements. I'll be right back. Alright, what I'm doing here right now is making sure the A-shaft is straight. Of this in here, tolerance. That's the nose, so it's gonna be some variation. Why? Because the groove in there. So let's see. That one don't really matter. What matters is this one here and the end. So let me see. Let me spin it around. See the little needle moves. Spinning. It's gonna jump in there. That's what it moved because of the groove. Okay, it's gonna jump because of the groove. So right there, the nose is straight. We're good. Now let's move it into the runnerways. See right on the end. It barely moves, so we're good. We're good. So now let me move again. Let me set it up, I'll be back. Okay, we're on the next one. Let's see the other gauge. It won't even move, so we're good. Move our hand there. So we're good there. So let me go ahead and measure this one in here. Make sure it's straight. Okay, the last one. Okay, my A-shaft is straight. So this one, I already measured the lobs. What's going on with stupid lighting? Oh, focus. So my A-shaft is straight. If it was one bent or anything, because overheating, luckily we're here at the shop. We have this huge machine. This is the one I use for regular crankshaft. If they're bent, they get them straight. It's pretty nice and neat. This one is ready. We have a good A-shaft. We have a good irons.